Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off or stop OneDrive sync in Windows 10. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, direct your attention to the bottom right corner of your screen where your system tray is located. This is the area near your clock and date display where various application icons typically appear. Among these icons, you'll see the OneDrive Cloud icon. Go ahead and click on it, and a small OneDrive window will slide up from the taskbar. This window gives you quick access to your OneDrive settings and sync status, making it easy to manage your cloud storage directly from your desktop. Now, to turn off or stop OneDrive sync in Windows 10, look at the top right part of your OneDrive window. You'll notice a gear icon there, which represents your settings menu. Click on this gear icon and a small context menu will appear with several options. From this list of options, you'll see an entry labeled Pause Syncing with a drop-down arrow next to it. This feature is particularly useful when you want to temporarily stop OneDrive from using your internet bandwidth or system resources without completely closing the application. Click on Pause Syncing and you'll see several options to control how long OneDrive stops syncing on your Windows 10 PC. The system offers you 3 time-based options to choose from: 2 hours, 8 hours, or 24 hours. These preset durations give you flexibility depending on your needs. For example, if you're on a limited internet connection or need to free up bandwidth for an important video call, you might choose the 2-hour option. If you're working offline for most of the day, the 24-hour option would be more suitable. During whichever period you select, OneDrive will turn off and stop syncing your files completely, ensuring no background activity or data usage occurs. However, if you want to completely turn the application off rather than just pausing it temporarily, there's another option available. At the bottom of the same menu, you'll see an option to quit OneDrive. Selecting this will close the application entirely. When you choose to quit OneDrive, your sync will only start again when you manually run the app from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. This gives you complete control over when OneDrive operates on your system. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to manage your OneDrive sync settings in Windows 10, giving you control over your bandwidth and system resources. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.